In this video, I have a 2007 Chrysler Town & Country, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of the steering wheel. Okay, so I'm sitting in the vehicle right now, and I want to give you a view of what it looks like looking down at the console. So at my eye level, you can see that everything is perfect. I can see the full display through the steering wheel. However, if I were a little bit taller, you could see how the steering wheel actually blocks everything. So in order to fix that, what you need to do is either crouch all the time, which is not safe, or you would obviously need to move the height of the steering wheel. Alternatively, if you are a little bit shorter, you might see a view something like this, where your steering wheel is actually blocking your view of the road. So moving this steering wheel height up and down is pretty important. So there's the feature on this vehicle. It's on a lot of vehicles actually. And it typically looks like a lever on the side right here. It has no knobs that you can spin or anything that you can push. So that's a good indicator that that is what this use is for. If you pull this lever on the left towards you, you'll notice that you've unlocked the mobility of the steering wheel. So you can now easily lift up and down to adjust the height. So depending on where you need it to be, you can, again, I'm pushing and holding this lever in like that. So as you're holding it in, you can move the height of the steering wheel. Go ahead and do that to position it wherever you need it to be, so that when you're driving, you can see your full display and then it's not blocking the road. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.